welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an extreme clean, declutter, and organize of my living room and coffee bar area. And also I would like to tell y'all that today's video is in collaboration with my good friend Yesenia. She has a YouTube channel called Yesenia A Mom's Life, and she does tons of cleaning videos. She does DIYs, shopping hauls. I mean, she does a lot of good stuff. I really love her channel, and I know y'all are going to love it. So I'll have a link down in the description box below to her channel. And also she has an Instagram account. She does daily stories. So I know y'all are going to love her. But anyway, so when you're done watching my video, make sure to go and see Yesenia's channel. And if you're coming over here from Yesenia's channel, hey, my name is Kim. I do weekly grocery hauls, what's for dinners, and cleaning videos. So if you like that, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cleaning video. I am going to be deep cleaning my living room and coffee bar area. You know, the new year is upon us now, and I decided it was time to tackle different rooms in my house. So I'm showing you some of the products that I'm going to be using. I like to use this Great Value brand of duster kit, I guess you'd call it. It's comparable to the Swiffer dusters, but a lot cheaper.
And playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking.
Okay, y'all, I have this dresser in my living room, and it was a mess. The top drawer has a lot of the kids' school papers, old planners, so I decided it was time to go through this and start organizing. So you'll see me going through each of these drawers and getting rid of stuff, and just trying to get it a little bit better organized and not so full of clutter.
What I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love.
Well, luckily, a few of these drawers were not bad at all. And I don't even know why we have all these DVDs. We don't even watch them. I probably should get rid of them.
So why don't you come on?
Okay, y'all, this drawer, I know everybody has to have a drawer like this in their house. There were cords and phone chargers, and I mean, the kids' old tablets. I don't even know why I have them still. And over here, this drawer on our little end table was full of junk too. I mean, I don't know why we have so many cords, but I decided I was going to take all of that kind of stuff out and put it all in the one drawer together. So I didn't make y'all go through watching all that, but I bagged it up, tried to organize it, and we'll see if this stays this way.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away.
And y'all, it had been a while since I got behind this dresser. There was dust, and we used to have Dish Network, and we've since done away with it. And so I was trying to take that cord out, and a little bit you'll see, I mean, we had a cord running from our living room to our bedroom, and I pulled all of that up. There was no sense in having it anymore. And y'all, I'm showing you right here this Method glass and surface cleaner. I love this cleaner. I get all of my Method and Mrs. Meyer's cleaners from Grove Collaborative. I have a link down in my description box below where you can go and sign up, and you'll receive a free 5-piece gift set. And I love it, y'all. I mean, they have some great products and their prices are very good, and it's delivered right to your door.
My heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my
Y'all, I had these little candles inside of the candle holders up on my mantle, and I'm trying to show y'all here, no matter what I do, they just look nasty. I don't know if it's because they've been sitting up there and dust is collected on them, but I decided to take all of those candles out, and right now I just have the glass little votive things, and I may later put some more candles in there. I don't know. What do y'all think?
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is
Y'all, we have used this fireplace a few times, but we hardly ever use it, and you can see all the dust that is built up on that. I don't even know what you call the little mesh thing, but it was nasty. So I had to get all that out of there. I had to end up getting the vacuum and try to clean that up.
You were passing by, surrounded by all those butterflies. Suddenly they flew right in my heart. Must have looked like a living piece of art. From that moment I knew that it would be you. Yeah, from that moment I knew it could only be you. I wrote your name up on my wall, circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone.
And also, y'all, I have an Instagram page. It's Kim's_Farmhouse Life. And if you would like to follow me over there, I would love for you to join me. I share stories daily, so you can see a little bit more into my daily, everyday life. And so, yeah. And right here, I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, my lighting just changed. So please forgive me. Sorry about that.
I belong. That was until you came along. And from that moment I knew that it would.
And y'all, I decided over here, this little end table is where I keep things that I use for editing my videos, my notebooks, my calendars, just things to keep up with YouTube. And I decided to make this my little, I guess, desk. I don't have a proper desk, so after I took all of that other stuff out, I decided to make this my little space.
No, I would never be alone. No, I would never
underneath here. I'm trying to show y'all how dusty it is underneath my couches. We have 3 recliners under our couches, and so I decided to pull all those out and get under there and clean as good as I could. And in case you're wondering, the type of vacuum that I'm using is a rainbow vacuum. It has a little tank that you fill with water, and that water is what catches all of the dirt and dust and stuff. And I'm going to show you, just if you'll stay around till the end of the video, I will show you what it looks like when I'm done vacuuming. Y'all, I cannot talk, and especially when I'm doing voiceovers.
On my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time.
And y'all, we bought that rug that you see a while back, brand new from Ashley Furniture, but I just don't think it matches. I would love to get a new rug, maybe later, but as for now, I'm stuck with this rug.
I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
Okay, here I am trying to get up the cord or the cable that was used for the Dish Network, and I am not very good with the drill, and you're going to get to see a little bit of my husband. He helped me for a split second there because I was having trouble.
Stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy.
If y'all are enjoying the video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what else you would like to see on my channel, or if you have any tips when it comes to cleaning or favorite cleaning products. I would love to hear those. This part is kind of funny. Y'all are probably wondering, what am I doing? But I guess something was hung in there or something. It wasn't getting any suction.
Just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day.
Okay, it's real life, y'all. This is actually the next day. I did not finish everything the first day because life happened. And yes, I am wearing pajama pants. And I'm very disappointed because I had pressed what I thought was record, and it was pause. I cleaned all this off and recorded it and never showed y'all. So, yep, real life. And guess what? I did it again. Thought I had pressed record and I pressed pause. So I cleaned all of that. That's why I'm laughing. Oh, but here's a sneak peek. This is me and my husband right before we got married. But yeah, real life, forgetting to press the right button.
Night, I'm going on the grid, texting back. I want you, hit you up. I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off. I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off.
I wanted to show you. My rainbow vacuum uses this little container with water, and this is what I vacuumed up just in the living room and then this area where my coffee bar is. I mean, I guess I accidentally got a bullet in there, one of my son's Nerf bullets, but it is nasty. So what I always do is I go outside and I pour it out somewhere in the yard, and then I clean this, and then it's ready for the next time. This is the worst part, is having to do this part. And if you forget and leave it in there for several days, it will start to stink.